Hi, my name is Cherry, and I'm an experienced e-commerce virtual assistant with over 3 years of experience handling multiple online marketplaces. I've worked across Amazon, Walmart, Shopify, eBay, Poshmark, Facebook Marketplace, TikTok Shop, both handling daily operations and back-end optimization. My core strengths are product listing optimization, product research, order fulfillment, inventory management, and account health monitoring. I'm very familiar with resolving listing issues such as suppressed listing, stranded inventory, and policy related issues, as well as inventory forecasting and pooling performance report to support data driven decisions. I focus on keeping store organized, compliant, and running smoothly so business owner can focus on growth. Beyond marketplace operation, I also support social media management by creating content, graphics, and scheduling posts to enhance brand visibility and engagement. I'm comfortable in using various e-commerce and design tools and adapt quickly to new systems. What makes me a good fit for the role is that I'm detail-oriented, proactive, and reliable. I don't wait for instruction. I look for the issues, fix them, and suggest improvement. I also understand how important accuracy, consistency, and communication are in e-commerce. If you are looking for a virtual assistant who can manage your store efficiently, protect your account health, and support long-term growth, I'd love to be part of your team. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to working with you. Goodbye.